How to fix connection timed out in Minecraft server. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you couples of ways for you to be able to fix this kind of issue while playing the game Minecraft. Now when it comes to connection timed out on the current server that you're in, your very first step of the troubleshooting step is to go straight and check if that current server is online. To do that, just simply access any web browser available on your device and then go into minecraftservers.org. From here, just simply look for the current server that you're trying to join to see if it is online or offline, and that we're just going to make sure that that server is totally working. If not, your last resort is to clear cache and clear data from the application itself. Look for your Minecraft application, press and hold it, and then access the I logo so that you will be redirected into app info. You scroll down and then under usage, go to storage. In here, you can go clear data and you can go as well on clear cache. Now, do not worry because it will not delete your whole Minecraft saved list. It will just refresh the whole application. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to fix connection timeout in Minecraft server.